cylinder heads trying to get around that.
And you know what? While you guys are here, hang out with them for a minute because I've got a box to get, a very important box. So I don't normally do unboxings. I think they're ridiculous, and I normally make fun of people who do unboxings, but I'm going to make an exception for Andy.
I have a feeling I'm going to be shocked or scared or something.
Well,
I don't know.
well,
I'm looking for
I
it.
didn't-
Go get the box and we'll see.
I know what's coming.
I didn't listen.
Okay.
I didn't have the opportunity to talk with him ahead of time, so I'm just going to get the box.
And did the game. Oh, Lord.
Well, packed them well
Well, we will find out.
because they kind of took a spill out onto the.
Let me move this stuff.
Let's clear a space for it. We should have done that beforehand.
That's all right. See these? They kind of took a spill.
Well, we'll find out.
Yeah,
It says fragile, but
it says fragile, but
what
Right.
is this?
Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Andy, here.
Well, this is one layer of box into another box.
yeah, that might have been just to give you some heart attack. There's gonna be a video coming out on my channel in a couple days. Lord, how many? Yeah, only the outer box suffered any trauma. Yeah, those are beautiful valve covers, and I know they weren't cheap, so I had to give him a little.
Say what they are.
Well, he knows what they are. Oh, ooh.
Everybody, I have been waiting for this moment for a year. You just don't know.
Is that the valve covers?
Look at
The
that.
hammerheads.
Yes.
Look at that.
Don't they look just like?
Boss 429
Yeah.
valve cover.
They're beautiful. Look at that.
Yep.
I don't.
Stickers like this inspire me. Especially when there's a bunch of them. Today I'm in Northeast Georgia picking up a set of valve covers from my friend Andy Wood. I'm going to see him tomorrow when I'm in town for David Vizard's seminar. And just a coincidence that I was going to be here the day before. So he's got a nice set of valve covers in here for his heavy-headed small block Ford that he's building. And we got to have a little fun with it. Inside this box right here is the one that Greg Brown carefully packaged these in, but Andy doesn't know that. I think that's a confidence-inspiring way to receive your package. What do you guys think?